Ukrainian Air Force pilots carried out another series of precision combat missions targeting Russian military assets along the front line. According to Ukrainian military reports, the operation focused on a concentration of Russian attack aircraft positioned at a forward operating area, as well as artillery positions equipped with D-3100 22mm howitzers. The strike was designed to disrupt Russian offensive capabilities before additional air and ground operations could be launched. Ukrainian combat aircraft reportedly attacked the staging area where Russian military aviation assets and support equipment had been gathered, forcing Russian forces to disperse and limiting their ability to coordinate further attacks. Military analysts note that concentrating aircraft close to the front lines can increase operational efficiency, but also exposes valuable assets to precision strikes. Modern reconnaissance systems, drones, and intelligence sharing have made such concentrations increasingly vulnerable during the conflict. In a separate phase of the mission, Ukrainian pilots targeted Russian artillery batteries equipped with the D-3100 22mm towed howitzer, one of the most widely used artillery systems by Russian forces. The D-30 has played a major role in supporting infantry assaults by delivering sustained indirect fire against Ukrainian defensive positions. Using precision-guided air-to-ground munitions, the Ukrainian Air Force reportedly struck several artillery emplacements, damaging firing positions and disrupting Russian fire support. Eliminating artillery batteries remains one of Ukraine's highest battlefield priorities, as Russian forces continue to rely heavily on artillery to support offensive operations. Military observers say that coordinated strikes against both aviation support areas and artillery positions can significantly reduce an enemy's operational tempo. By targeting logistics, equipment concentrations, and indirect fire assets simultaneously, Ukrainian forces seek to weaken Russia's ability to conduct large-scale assaults. The operation also demonstrates the continued cooperation between Ukraine's Air Force, reconnaissance drones, and ground intelligence units. Drone surveillance is believed to have played a key role in identifying the targets and providing real-time information before the aircraft launched their attacks. Neither Ukraine's claims regarding the extent of the damage nor the reported destruction of Russian equipment could be independently verified. Russia has not publicly commented on the reported strikes. As fighting continues across multiple sectors of the front, both sides remain engaged in a campaign of long-range precision strikes aimed at degrading military infrastructure, artillery positions, and operational reserves. Air power, combined with drone reconnaissance and precision-guided weapons, continues to play an increasingly important role in shaping the battlefield. Meanwhile, Ukraine's 68th Separate Brigade destroyed a Russian multiple-launch rocket system in a drone strike on July 20th, with footage showing the vehicle erupting in powerful secondary detonations. The strike was carried out by the brigade's Unmanned Systems Battalion. The Dovbush Hornets know how to make an MLRS a good one. The recipe is the same, and so is its physical state, the unit wrote. The brigade declared the launcher out of the race, describing the explosions that followed as another detonating salute. The vehicle seen in the video resembles the widely used Soviet-designed BM-21 Grad, although its exact model has not been officially confirmed. The BM-21 Grad, its name meaning hail, is among the world's most widely deployed multiple-launch rocket systems. Developed in the early 1960s, it entered Soviet service in 1963 and has since appeared in wars around the globe. Mounted on a Ural 4320 high mobility truck, the system carries 40 launch tubes for 122mm rockets. It can fire its entire salvo in roughly 20 seconds, saturating an area of up to 14.5 hectares. Depending on the ammunition, the Grad can strike targets up to 40 kilometers, or about 25 miles, away. Its crew can reload the launcher in approximately 7 minutes and leave its firing position within about a minute of completing a salvo. Previously, Ukrainian drone operators destroyed a full battery of Russian BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket systems on the Pokrovsk axis in what appears to be a coordinated strike involving multiple units.